Introduction. The 166A provides two channels of noise gating, over easy or classic hard knee compression and peak stop limiting to give complete control of signal dynamics to studios, sound reinforcement companies, musicians, or anyone who needs quality processing quickly and easily. Features include stereo or dual mono operation of gating, compression and peak limiting. Over easy/hard knee selection allows selection between our famous over easy compression curve and the classic hard knee curve popularized by the original dbx 160, 161 and 162. Expander/gate circuit with variable release time and plus 15 dB maximum threshold. Compressor mode switch selects from two sets of program dependent attack and release times to tailor response for individual instruments or mixed program material. Selectable low-frequency shelf via contour button in the sidechain path, recommended when compressing mixed program material to prevent low-frequency energy from punching holes in the sound. Peak stop limiting provides control of maximum peak levels at the output of the 166A regardless of any other control. Peak stop comes after the compression, gating and other circuitry including the output gain, so it sets an absolute limit for peak excursions before they reach the output. True RMS level detection senses the power in the program in a musical manner, much as human hearing does, give ing results superior to peak or average detection. Hardwire system bypass buttons on both channels allow the audio to pass even if the unit is unplugged, and are also useful for comparing the processed and unprocessed signals. 10-segment LED display for gain reduction, up to 30 dB. Electronically balanced XLR and 1/4 TRS input and output jacks. Separate sidechain inserts enables an outboard processor or signal to control compression or gating. DC controlled parameters. The signal does not pass through any of the parameter controls. Instead, a DC voltage controls all functions. This eliminates any possibility of potentiometer noise developing over time.